this channel. In this video, I will show you how to use label as made with AI on Instagram. So when you log into your Instagram, let's say you are having an AI generated image and you want to indicate that you made that image or you generated it with AI. So you click on the plus button, then you select the image that you want to use to post. So for example, so I've selected this one, then I click on next, and as you can see, this is an AI image. So I'll click next. Then here you see the label as made with AI. So I'll click on it, and then I'll now add my description. So because this one is just a trial I want to do to explain to you, I'll just do hello guys. Then I'll click OK. Then I'll share. So I'm sharing this post. Good. So as you can see, it has been posted, and as you can see, you see that it is written there that made with AI. So it basically means that this image is made with AI. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video for other more powerful videos. Once again, see you in the next video.